Wix and Weebly, two website builders, both promising to make your online dreams come true. But which one stands out when it matters? On one side, we have Wix, famous for its flexibility and creative control. On the other, Weebly, known for simplicity and straightforward design. We'll compare them in areas that users care about most: ease of use, features, pricing, design options, support, and more. There's no hype here, just a hands-on look at what you really get. Every section gets scored, and at the end, you'll see a clear winner. And the victor might support, and at the end, you'll see a clear winner. And the victor might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's how we'll lay it out. Picture a mind map right now. We're going to check out price, how easy each one is to use, the design and templates they offer, the features and apps, how they handle e-commerce, and finally, security and support. Sound good? Let's kick it off with price. So, talking about price, everyone's favorite topic. Both Wix and Weebly have free plans, which is nice. But, and it's a big but, Wix's more advanced features and e-commerce stuff definitely get pricier pretty fast. You'll also get hit with transaction fees unless you go premium. Now Weebly, it's kind of the budget hero here. Their entry-level and e-commerce options are a lot cheaper. And get this, no transaction fees. Sure, you might miss out on some of the fancy business features, but honestly, if you're just starting or don't want to spend a ton, Weebly has the edge here. Let's talk about how easy these are to use. Wix is actually super intuitive. Drag, drop, done. There's a crazy amount of design freedom too, which is fun. But sometimes all those options are a little much, so total beginners might feel a bit lost. Now, Weebly? Oh man, it's like the definition of simple. The setup is guided, the builder is, basically foolproof, and there's nothing confusing about it. You do give up a little in customization, but if you want zero headache, Weebly totally nails it for ease of use. Alright, design and templates. Here's where Wix kinda flexes. Over 800 templates, that's wild, and you can customize them to the moon and back. The only catch? If you ever want to switch templates, you pretty much have to rebuild your site. Not ideal. Weebly, on the other hand, keeps things super clean and simple. Everything looks nice, it works on mobile, but the selection is a little, well, basic. Not as much room to make it your own, so if you want to really stand out, Wix blows Weebly out of the water here. Oh, random fact for you while we're at it. Did you know Weebly actually got acquired by Square in 2018? Yep, the same Square that helps small businesses take payment. Bit of inside baseball stuff, but kind of explains their focus on simple e-commerce, right? Let's dive into features and apps. So, Wix? Oh, and here's something cool. They've got this massive app market. There's so much you can plug in, from bookings to advanced e-commerce. Their SEO tools are actually legit too. The catch is, those little app fees can sneak up on you if you're not careful. Weebly's setup is more stripped down. You've got basic tools for blogs, portfolios, and small shops. But if you want something super advanced, yeah, it just isn't built for that. E-commerce. Big one, right? Wix definitely runs the show here if you plan on growing a serious shop. Tons of advanced settings, you can sell on different platforms, plenty of payment options. Just remember, all that awesome stuff is, surprise, behind the higher paywall. Weebly is actually really smooth for basic stores. Simple inventory, easy setup, but if you want to become the next big thing, you'll hit those platform limits pretty quickly. Quick note on security and support. Both of them, honestly, are solid. SSL included, so your site's safe. Wix gives you 24/7 support, but only if you're on their paid plan's free plan, folks. The support's a bit slow. Weebly has strong email support, but no live chat for everyone. Not a deal breaker, but something to know. So if you're looking at the big picture, like, here's the radar chart with all those categories side by side, you can see some spots where Wix totally stretches out, especially with features and templates. But in other areas, like price and pure beginner friendliness, Weebly hangs on tight. Here's my hot take. If you want absolute creative control and all the fancy features, Wix is your playground, no contest. But if you value a calm, straightforward process, seriously, if you just want to launch a clean site without overthinking it, Weebly is almost unbeatable for the price. Between the two though, for most, Weebly just edges out the win, especially for beginners or anyone on a budget. If this helped you figure out your next move, awesome. Don't forget to follow for more web builder showdowns. I've got plenty more coming your